Hey everybody, it's Jodi, and I am just so stinking excited to tell you all about the Remembering Christmas kit. So you get a package like this when you order this from Stampin' Up. It's got all of the different pieces and then this hardcover album. So it's about 6 inches by 9.5, and it's a hardcover here. And then this little elastic piece just closes it like that and holds everything in place. I have enjoyed this so much in these last few days since Christmas. I have a new granddaughter, and so I wanted to remember her very first Christmas with this little album kit. So first, before I dive into everything, I just want to quickly show you what I have left over. So I used a little bit of the adhesive. I totally forgot about the twine, so I might go back and add some, but I've got all of that left at this point. These are just some little label and journaling pieces. These are all of the stickers that I have left that I can use on other projects. And then there's these little pockets. I used one of them, but it comes with 4. Super cute. We'll definitely use on other projects. And then there's some alphabet stickers, some green foil, as well as this craft color, little circles. And then if you want to get really crazy, we've got some other languages that you can use stickers to. So there's a lot that comes in it. And that, keep in mind, is the extra after I did everything in here. So I'm just going to go through and show you page by page what I did here. So these are some of those green foil stickers here. This is how the inside is printed, these polka dots. So that's how it was. I did add, the only thing I added was this piece of shaded spruce cardstock to mat the photo. Otherwise, everything was part of this kit. And then you'll see here, there's just lots of stickers and different pieces. And you flip through and you'll see not only my cute little granddaughter, but lots of the pieces that come in this kit. This is fun. We did a little photo shoot. She's giving me the side eye a little bit here, but these are just some fun photos that I wanted to have in it, but I thought I could just stick them in this little, I'm gonna put her face in it, stick them in this little pocket here to add those to the album. Now you'll notice this little strap here. So we've got some pages on the first strap and then some pages on the second strap. That's how it's all held in place. So I'll turn here, another picture here with my daughter, daughter-in-law, and soon-to-be daughter-in-law, as well as my granddaughter. Lots of Reinert girls in that photo. This page is cool because it flaps out like that. So you've got more photos there. And then, like I said, that's the first grouping. And then you add the second group. This is a little pocket. So we've got, I have to explain this now. So this, my son likes his Bush Light. This is a little ornament that my daughter got for her brother. It's just a tiny little thing, but he put it up to the baby's mouth and she was going crazy. So I'm not sure if that's a good sign or not, but we'll see. Super cute. And then this, first of all, come on. These little Christmas tree, couldn't find the word, pages are super cute. And then this is another one that folds out like that. Sometimes her uncle, my son, likes to make some silly faces right back at her, or they make the same noises that she's making, all sorts of goofiness. And then this family picture here. And then I just put another one on the inside of the back cover. Again, all the polka dots are printed on there. All these other pieces, though, are part of the kit. So one more time, all I did was add this layer of the shaded spruce to mat that photo. It wasn't absolutely necessary. I just liked it better with it, and I had it, so why not? So just quickly to show you, these straps just are so easy. You just add, you lift it up a little bit, add each of your pages, slide them right into place. Make sure that this is on that scored crease, and then your pages are all in place, and it will easily close and wrap this around. Okay, so super easy to use. This took me one evening to put together. I may have stayed up a little later than I should, but nonetheless, it was one evening and I had the whole thing done. And I'm just super excited to have this keepsake of my granddaughter's first Christmas. And you know what? Maybe you don't have a baby experiencing a first Christmas. That is okay. I think it would be great, and I may just end up doing one of these every Christmas because I just love having our special Christmas photos in one spot. It's really easy. I work part-time in an office, and I took this in today to show off my little granddaughter to some of my coworkers. So it's just a really easy to transport, easy to put together book with all of these pieces. You can make it whatever you want to be. So you don't have to do the pages in the order that I did. Obviously, it doesn't have to all be baby pictures. You can totally make it your own. But I just thought it was a really fun project, really easy. And are you ready? This kit, all this stuff. So remember how I said it comes packaged like this? All your supplies are in here. All this stuff is left over to use on other projects. It's $22. That's all it is, $22. All you have to do is print your pictures and you're good to go. So take a look at the link. Take a look at this in my online store. It was a great project. I think I'm going to do one for my daughter-in-law and my son, so that they have a special little book of their baby's first Christmas too. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. Reach out if you have any questions at all. Have a great day.